Machine learning is now production-grade across every major industry, and one Python library, Scikit-Learn, has remained at the center of it all. The global ML market is expected to hit $126.91 billion in 2026, growing at 33.66% CAGR, powered largely by scalable machine learning pipelines. Powering modern machine learning, Scikit-Learn streamlines model building, training, and evaluation. Building a model in Scikit-Learn follows a clean, repeatable workflow, from loading data to training, predicting, and evaluating. From fraud detection to patient risk classification, Scikit-Learn powers decisions across industries where interpretability and auditability are non-negotiable. Scikit-Learn integrates natively with NumPy, SciPy, and Pandas, making production-grade pipelines cleaner than ever. As AI adoption accelerates, Python and machine learning skills are becoming essential for building intelligent solutions. USDSI data science certifications build the practical ML skills modern enterprises actually demand.